Oh yeah, cheers, boys. How many beers do you got? Like, I fucking got a few right here. Look at that. You know where we're going? We're going. What the fuck, man? I just moved into this fucking place last night. Now the goddamn roommate. Man, they have noise complaint. They're gonna say, oh fuck, this goddamn guy, man. I've been having problems with them. This fucking asshole. This fucking scumbag, man. Scumbag in my chat here. Oh, hey, God. What the fuck, man? What do you... Hey, man. Here, buddy. Thanks, man. Get a beer, man. Hey, man. You want to know how to play this? I'll show you. I'll show you, buddy. I don't know what I'm doing. Now, give me those. Give me those, motherfucker. Yeah, we all used to play this song back in high school. Now, that's how you want to play, eh? That's how you want to play,
Wow.
eh?
That was amazing.
Cheers, boys. Cheers. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, buddy. Oh. I forgot my bass pedal in the fucking car, so, you know, fucked the video up, I guess.
The whole video.
Dave Mustaine. Cheers.
Cheers, bud.
Living and dying, laughing and crying. Once you've seen it, you'll never be the same. Life in the fast lane is just how it seems. Dirty, drunk, and it's coming the sky.